Hi, Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here today in Southeast Aurora at the beautiful Southshore Development, and we are going to check out the Rio Grande Floorplan by Taylor Morrison. Rio Grande is a super popular ranch-style home with 12-foot ceilings in the living space, a fireplace tiled to the ceiling, and a master tub for a 5-piece bath. This floor plan has 3 to 4 beds and 2 to 3 baths depending on the elevation. There are currently only 3 Rio Grande homes left with this floor plan, but if you love this floor plan, there are still opportunities with existing homes that are for sale. And we can look at those if you're interested. Feel free to reach out with questions and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.